And, my kids are like 8 and 10, and I figured out in India, people have kids purely in peer pressure. कि शर्मा जी के हैं तो एक दो हमारे भी होने चाहिए. And the thing is, earlier the kids used to be cute. Today they are not cute anymore. Earlier the kids used to be cute and innocent. Today they are just cute. They are not innocent anymore. The way my daughter talks to me, I tell her, "Beta, Papa क्यों कहते हो? रामू काका ही बोल दिया करो." She'll give me a "I love you dad" card every time she needs a new toy. तो अपना घर जाते हुए डर लगता है कि घर जाऊं कोई बच्चा पानी ना पूछ ले, कोई प्यार से ही ना बात कर ले. And then there's this amazing new concept of Father's Day, where you get an expensive gift bought with your own money. And then they look back at you कि return gift कहाँ है? When talking about kids, let me tell you, when we were kids, we were given some formal education to tell lies. In case you don't realize, I'll give you examples. Like till 4th standard, the only excuse that I knew was stomachache. It was only when we started writing leave applications, I realized we could kill relatives also. And, then the real big challenge came in. The teacher came in and said, "Write 100 words about your father." And I hated my South Indian friend who used 50 words just in the name of his father. And my problem is I belong to a Punjabi family. My father is like any normal Punjabi father, he's dysfunctional. And what happens is that, in Punjabi family, there's not too much of communication happening between a father and a son. Like 80% of my communication with my father was in 4 sentences. पेपर कब है तेरे? पेपर हो गए? पेपर मिल गए? जा दो सोडे ले आ. So I started writing my essay. Honestly, I wrote, "I love my father because he gives me my pocket money. He loves me a lot, especially when he's drunk. My father is very strong. He has beaten all our relatives." And then the teacher came to me and said, "Beta, this is not how you write the essay." And she gave me that JPH guide. You guys remember JPH guides, which had all the essays and stuff? And I read the essay about father. And I was like, shit. My father doesn't meet the job description of a father. If there was ever a job opening of a father, his resume won't even get shortlisted. But that's what they make you do, right? They make you tell lies. You remember Diwali essay? हर साल मिठाइयाँ और नए कपड़े मिलते हैं, घंटा कभी नहीं मिले. सबसे पुराना पजामा पहनाते थे, जल जाए तो नुकसान नहीं, स्किन तो फिर आ जाएगी. So, women, give me a cheer if you think women are more intelligent than men. Wow, I like the energy. I get this from my wife also all the time, so I completely agree with this. I'll tell you what, Indian men are stupid. But they're not born stupid, they're brought up stupid. Because there's not too much of expectation from a guy in an Indian family. एक लड़के से इंडियन फैमिली में सिर्फ एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि वो पैदा हो जाए. Whereas a girl is brought up with this constant threat and fear कि पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. एजुकेशन पूरी रख, एम्प्लॉयबल होनी चाहिए, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. कुकिंग आनी चाहिए, स्टिचिंग आनी चाहिए, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. सेक्स और रोमांस के बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचा कर, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. So are you guys warmed up to welcome your first act of the evening? She's a very funny lady, all the way from London. Can we start with, on a scale of 10, can we start with a round of applause at 3? Take it up to 5, 7, 10. Please welcome Sindhu V.